In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to manually create and assign region managers. And now you'll only be able to create region managers if you've created regions in your AlignMix file. And there's a couple ways that we can create these assignments. The first way is to import a full list of your sales personnel with the sales rep's name, the district rep's name, and the region manager's name, and all of their job roles and their current assignments. You can also use the Edit Personnel button to create a new region manager by clicking on the green plus button here, filling in their information, including their home zip code, and then you would make them a region manager by clicking this button here and deselect the other job roles, and then you can assign them to a region from this view, like so. And this is the second way that you can create those region assignments. So let's go ahead and click on Cancel. The next way of creating your region managers is to open up a region map view. And there's two ways that you can do that. You can open up a new tab by clicking on the plus button here and select Region Map, or from the Home menu, you can click on Add View, Maps, and then Region Map. Both of these methods will bring you to the exact same view. So let's close out one of them. So now let's say we want to create a new region manager to be assigned to this blue region here on the East Coast. So we will right-click on that region and click on the properties. Here in this drop-down menu, you will see the names of all the region managers that have that role of region manager already assigned. So you see we already have 3 people that have that assignment. If you wanted to choose one of these to be the new manager, you would simply select them and then click on OK. But I'd like to create a brand new region manager. And you would do that by clicking on this green plus button, typing in the name of that manager, and then you have to type in their zip code. And make sure that they have the role of region manager checked. Click on Add, and then click on OK. And right away, you will see that that is the person that we have just created to be the region manager for this region. And there you go. You've just learned how to manually create and assign region managers here in AlignMix.